hey guys, come check out Disney Destiny's, one of their best concierge extended veranda rooms with me, alright? Alright, so when you first walk in...
We'll just be hanging out in the bedroom with your husband. It's
okay. Alright, so here they have a nice little walk-in closet with a safe, and this is where they put their shoes. With like some drawers. What do they have here? Is it a pull-down bed? Oh, cool. So we have another...
You want to try the fruit? Do you want to open that? I think you should. She loves strawberries.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, okay. They have the mini bar.
You think we should open that? Go to Costco, we buy the whole thing of those.
Here, watch out.
Mommy, there has mini bar.
Not in here, but we're gonna get some. Room service should have some. And then a lot of storage space here.
Apple and then strawberry. I love apple and strawberry.
And then we have another bed. We definitely need to come stay here with a family. How many people does this seat or sleep?
Six.
Six?
That I think puts 2 in this bed. No, that's not way.
But this is one too, or no?
Yep.
So what is it? 2 in the bedroom?
Yeah.
3, 4, 5?
I think it's 5.
And then 6.
Maybe 6 for you.
Oh, look at this. The hidden Mickey.
There we go.
Thank you guys for doing that for her. And for me. for Very cool. We have like a whole walk-in closet. And then their bathroom. See if I could get some light. There we go. Wow. There's a bathtub. Look at how pretty this is. So pretty. Bathtub. It's a double sink.
Real quick, otherwise she'll destroy the place.
Shower.
Rice. If we take off our eyes on her, like 10-15 minutes later, it's like everything's just yeah.
Oh, look at the...
Well, you got
This is not your blanket, right? This came... This is the blanket they gave... Hey, this is the blanket that came with the bed, or you guys brought it?
Oh, we brought that.
Oh, okay.
We got that in the last cruise.
Very cute.
Oh, my
The
blanket?
yeah.
They
Oh,
probably have it here. I love that blanket.
is it like... Because you know the one that with like the Destiny and the Wish, there's like $300 or whatever?
Oh, that was like 85, I think. I mean, it's still overpriced.
Yeah.
But it's Disney, so you expect to pay that.
Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, look at... Got a bed right here.
Well, part of it is
Because that's Mickey on it.
and part of it is the Launch Slide brand. It's like a bit like that bit of blacky bag.
Do you guys collect like?
Ooh, didn't see it.
Yeah, you got a lot of ears.
We have ears, but the bags, like I have my cruise one, and then I have a park
Cute
one,
little
and
table.
that's it. I don't stock them all.
Yeah, okay.
No.
Very cool.
Yeah, you come to our house, he has like a whole like deck of like collectors.
Very cute.
I am actually started to collect the statues, like the.
I mean, how nice is this? Definitely luxury living, that's for sure. Alright, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We do a lot of vlogs on our channel. We go to Disney a lot. I am an annual pass holder. I go to Disney about 4 to 5 times a year. This is our second cruise, second Disney cruise. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please stick around, subscribe, give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Yeah. Ooh.
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.